Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva posts. First, navigate to Canva and select Create a Design. You can choose from a vast library of pre-made templates or begin with a blank canvas. It's crucial to select the appropriate dimensions for your specific social media platform, ensuring your post looks perfect. Canva offers thousands of free and premium design elements to kickstart your creative process, making it incredibly easy to begin. Once you have your canvas, it's time to design. Personalize your text by selecting from hundreds of fonts, adjusting colors, and adding effects like shadows or curves. You can easily upload your own images or select from Canva's extensive stock photo and video library. Enhance your visuals further by applying filters, cropping, and adjusting brightness or contrast to achieve a professional and eye-catching appearance. To elevate your post, incorporate various graphic elements such as shapes, lines, and icons. These can add visual interest and guide the viewer's eye. For consistent branding, use Canva's Brand Kit feature to store your specific colors, fonts, and logos. This ensures every post aligns with your brand identity. Utilize the alignment and grouping tools to arrange all elements precisely, creating a clean and professional layout. Before sharing, always take a moment to review your design thoroughly for any typos, misalignments, or other inconsistencies. Once satisfied, you can download your finished post in several formats, including high-quality JPG, PNG, or even PDF, depending on your needs. Canva also allows you to share your creation directly to popular social media platforms with just a few clicks, streamlining your workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.